Welcome to everyone. I'm so happy to be here again. It's been a while since I uploaded a video on YouTube, and today I'm really excited to share something special with you. I will be creating a few watercolor palettes that I designed for autumn, and I think they are perfect for fall paintings. I hope these colors inspire you and help you to create something fun and beautiful. I also have a Facebook group where you can share your paintings and your creative work with me, and where I post tips and tutorials. If you like to join, I will leave the link in the description of this video. You also find the links of all the watercolors I'm using today in that description. Fall is my absolute favorite season of the year. I have been living in Chicago for 6 years now, and since I'm from Colombia, we don't have seasons. It's the same weather all the year round. This still feels like new and magical for me, the fall, and I just love how trees change and the colors and even the cozy atmosphere among the people. Everything feels so warm and inspiring. Today I want to experiment with different fall color palettes, not only the usual ones. I always use like earth tones, but some new combinations too I want to use today. At the end of this video, I will show you a little demonstration of loose watercolor houses painting with this palette. If you would like to dive deeper, I have the full tutorial on my Patreon, where you can find more than 90 watercolors tutorials to follow along and paint with me. Thank you so much for all your support. I always love reading your message, and it means the world to me to have this creativity community. Please don't forget to share your paintings with these color palettes in the Facebook group that I tell you, and I can wait to see them. Now I leave you to enjoy the relaxing painting process with some music. And again, thank you so much for being here, and have a wonderful day.